Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you one of the biggest project in Choi Chong Wat. And I will show you one of the most beautiful sky villa at very high floor. Yes, you can see the building. So let's get inside the building. This is a sky villa at La Vista One. This is a kitchen at the first. We go inside and we see very large kitchen, and then very big and very large living room. So let's go to see the first bedroom. This is first bedroom. Every bedroom we have balcony and can see view of Mekong River. Wow, the water is blue like at the seaside. And we have the bathroom outside. So then go to see another master room. The bathroom in master room we have bathtub inside and very big bathroom. This is bedroom. Bedroom also have view to Mekong River. So we get outside and see the view. Very best view at Mekong River. So and then we go to see another master room. Another master room at other side. This is another master room. Also have view to Mekong River. Look very nice. Bathroom. Big and nice decoration. You guys can guess how much for this sky villa. The price very cheap, just only under 1 million. Yes. If you guys interested, just drop comment and contact us now. Này chúng tôi đó sky villa một tiết. Nơi chọn tí 33 ហើយចូលមកដំបងគេនេះគឺបន្ទប់តួភ្ញៀវហ្មងបាទនេះផ្ទះបាយគឺដាច់ដោយឡែកតែឯងហ្មងបាទហើយ view បែរមកខាងទីក្រុងបាទ very big living room and at the living room we also have balcony, can see the Mekong River. បើនិយាយពី view គឺ360 degree 360 degree view. ហើយនេះបន្ទប់គេងទី1. បន្ទប់គេងទី1ក៏មានទឹកក្នុងហ្នឹងដែរបាទហើយបន្ទប់នីមួយៗគឺសុទ្ធតែមាន balcony ដែលអាចមើលឃើញ view ទៅខាងក្រៅខាងមាត់ទន្លេ Wow. អញ្ចឹងយើងទៅមើលបន្ទប់ master room របស់យើងនេះកន្លែងនេះក៏កន្លែងទទួលភ្ញៀវមួយទៀតដែរបាទហើយនេះបន្ទប់ទឹកមួយនៅខាងក្រៅបាទចូលមកក្នុងមកមាន master room ទឹកនៅក្នុង master room គឺមាន bathtub ហើយ view បែរទៅខាងមាត់ទន្លេផងទីក្រុងផងគយគន់ទេសភាពទាំងទីក្រុងនិងមាត់ទន្លេបាទស្អាតមែនទែនបន្ទប់នេះក៏អាចមើលឃើញវាំងដែរបាទមាត់ទន្លេវាំងហើយនឹងទេសភាពក្រុងភ្នំពេញយើងចូលទៅដល់បន្ទប់គេងទី3បាទបន្ទប់មួយគឺមានបន្ទប់ទឹកក្នុងហ្នឹងបាទហើយមាន balcony ទាំងអស់ហើយ view សុទ្ធតែស្អាតអូខេអញ្ចឹងតម្លៃគឺល្អមែនតើយើងមានតម្លៃពីរប្រភេទមួយបូកជាមួយនឹង furniture ហើយមួយទៀតតម្លៃមានតែ decor តែអត់ furniture តម្លៃខ្ទង់1លានជាងអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនណាចង់បានអាចធ្វើការតាក់ទងមកបាន